back. So today in this video we will talking about the Docker, how we can create a Docker file inside a Spring Boot application. Okay, so what I did is I have created a one controller Spring Boot. It's just a dummy application for Spring Boot. So I have that application and it's running in my localhost. So if you can see, then I have it I have run it, and let me start the application. Let me show you how it is look like. See, so this is up and running. I'm working. So basically this application is running on local. So let's start how we can work on Docker machine. And for that, before, you should have a Docker running in your machine local. And if I show you, what I did is, in the main directory of your project, let's suppose the main project, I have a Docker app test. So inside that I have created one Docker file. So the name should be like this only: D is capital, F is small. Okay, so Docker file, this should be the same all the time. And I am using JDK 8, so this will be preferable. And expose is 8080. So I want to run this Docker, I want to run this application on 8080 only. So this is for that, and this should be the same. Then we can see how we can run it to the Docker. Okay, so to build that Docker image, we have few commands. So I recommend to use this website. Okay, so I will share this link to the description. You can also see, and you can also try from here. So what I have as steps is Docker build -tt is a tag and the demo app, and which directory it is. Okay, demo app will be your uh, image name. So what I do is Docker build -tt is a tag demo app. It can be anything. Let's suppose Docker app, and this is the same in the same directory, so I'll use the same. Oh, sorry. So what it is, cannot connect to the Docker daemon because I forgot to start the Docker in my local. So let me start. Okay, so this is a Docker. So we have already two images. So now my Docker is running in my local. Now let's see. Yeah, so after that I have run that same command, it's running. So if I see here, I have a image Docker app which I have created. Now I want to run this. So go back to that website which I have referred. Now see how many images we have inside the Docker. So for that we have a command docker image ls. Okay, so we have three images. Now let's start the Docker. So for that we have a docker run command, and which port number we need to start in the app name. Okay, so now docker run p 8080 and the application name. So what was that? Docker app. P is small. Okay, now my application is running on the Docker. So let's see, is it running or not? Yes, it is still running, and you can see it is not running in this local, but yeah, it is running on the Docker. If I show you here, yes, you can see the console also. That's it. So this is how we can run the Docker in the local, and this is how the steps are. So if you like this, don't forget to like this video, and we will, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.